Hello, I will present the following research as a part of my doctoral thesis entitled Distribution and Zoogeographical Affinities of Mole Crabs, genus Emerita, Lepidopa, and Albunea in sandy sediment of Mexico Atlantic coast. Members of the superfamily Hippoidea, which comprises the families Albuneidae, Blepharipodidae, and Hippidae, are specialized burrowing crabs that live in sandy sediment habitats, predominantly in tropical and warm temperate regions around the world. In the Atlantic coast of Mexico, the scientific knowledge on the geographic distribution and the state of their population remains poorly known. In this figure, you could observe that most of the records of the superfamily Hippoidea occurs in the north part of the Gulf of Mexico and the US East Coast. As you could observe in this chart, the members of the superfamily could tolerate a wide range of sea surface temperatures that allows a wide distribution range into the Western Atlantic. In order to contribute to the knowledge of this group of anemoran crabs, this study reports for the first time the geographic distribution of mole crabs of the genus Albunea, Emerita, Lepidopa present in the Atlantic coast of Mexico. Data were obtained from 3 different sediment sampling campaigns in the Atlantic coast of Mexico. 1. Assessment of the potential effect of hydrocarbons on the coast of southern Gulf of Mexico with 13 locations in the year 2010. 2. Oceanographic campaigns in the year 2020 with 73 locations. And 3. A macrofaunal sandy beach communities campaign with 16 locations and 44 nested sites. This survey yielded 1,425 individuals from the states from Tamaulipas, Veracruz, Tabasco, Campeche, Yucatan, and Quintana Roo, contained in 2 families and 6 different species. Albunea paretii with 1 individual, Emerita benedicti with 573 individuals, Emerita talpoida with 894 individuals, Lepidopa benedicti with 17 individuals, and Lepidopa boykoi with 11 individuals. In this map, you could observe the geographical distribution of the genus Emerita. Emerita benedicti is distributed from Tabasco, Veracruz, and Tamaulipas state. Meanwhile, Emerita talpoida is restricted to the Yucatan Peninsula. On the other side, species Albunea paretii, Emerita benedicti, Lepidopa benedicti, and Lepidopa boykoi could exhibit a preference for the heterogeneous sediment-influenced habitat. Instead, Emerita talpoida shows a greater affinity to carbonate sediment present in the Yucatan Peninsula. In this map, you could observe the distribution of Albunea paretii in red, Lepidopa benedicti in orange, and Lepidopa boykoi in green. Regarding to the zoogeographical affinities into the Western Atlantic Ocean, Albunea paretii was the widespread species within the Western Atlantic region and mainly occurred in 3 geographic provinces. In the tropical Western Atlantic Ocean that includes the Bermudan ecoregion, southern Gulf of Mexico ecoregion, the entire ecoregions for the Caribbean Sea, the Amazonia, and the North Shelf of Brazil. With some records for the northern Gulf of Mexico and Carolinian ecoregions into the warm temperate Western Atlantic provinces, one record for the Virginian ecoregion into the cool temperate Western Atlantic provinces. The species of the genus Lepidopa are restricted to the northern hemisphere, with Lepidopa benedicti has distributed from the northern Gulf of Mexico, with many records for southern Gulf of Mexico and a few for the Floridian and Caribbean Sea. Lepidopa boykoi was restricted to the southern Gulf of Mexico only. The species of the genus Emerita were registered in high numbers in the North America. Emerita benedicti was recorded from the northern Gulf of Mexico and the southern one and the Carolinian ecoregions, which belongs to the warm temperate Western Atlantic provinces and tropical Western Atlantic provinces. On the other hand, Emerita talpoida is widely distributed from the Virginian ecoregion, which belongs to the cold temperate Western Atlantic provinces, with several records for the northern Gulf of Mexico into the warm temperate Western Atlantic provinces, and Many records derive from this study for the southern Gulf of Mexico and the western Caribbean into the tropical western Atlantic provinces. This study lays the foundations to try to better understand to the macroecology of this high adapted group. That's all for my part. If you have a question, please contact me. Thank you.